Happy Tuesday, I'm KHOU 11 meteorologist Kim Castro. This is an extended look at your weather forecast. Tracking sunny skies, beautiful weather, 65 degrees right now in Moody Gardens. We're up by 11 degrees from yesterday, and yesterday was already beautiful, so this is surely going to set up to be a really nice day across the area. If you live in Harris County, how about Spring Branch? This is our neighborhood weather network, so these are actual gauges in people's homes. So we have a good, accurate reading of the temperature, I'll say along Tilson Lane, right now upper 60s, Pine Chase Drive, it's exactly 70 degrees there. How about in the Heights, Rutland Street, 68 degrees, and a little bit warmer for Winston Street, 71. Warmth, calm week ahead because of this, the jet stream. We are tracking a nice ridge of high pressure. So there's three different variations that could happen within the jet. It's either, it's either zonal or it's meridional. So actually there's really two. But within those meridional flows, we could have ridges or troughs. Because we've got this ridge over us, we're on the warm side, and the troughs are obviously the cool side, stay nudged well off to the north. So I correct myself. There are two zones, meridional or zonal. When we have zonal flow, the jet stream is just pretty flat. And what that means is that we're pretty average. We don't really see temperatures that are too warm or too cold. But when we have a pretty defined ridge, we can bank on temperatures being a little bit warmer than where we would be. Notice we turn a little zonal through the end of the work week, and you'll notice in the 7-day forecast, temperatures drop just a little bit. For today, your high is going to be 74 degrees. Again, sunshine takes us throughout the remainder of the day. Your high temperature should pop up right around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. How about the next 3 days? Okay, you saw that jet stream go a little flat. So we go from 78 degrees on our Wednesday back to 70 degrees on Thursday, 72 on Friday. That's still really comfortable and mild, but yeah, it is a little drop in temperatures. Notice Thursday also has a 20% chance for an isolated shower. We are definitely going to see more cloud cover on our Thursday. I'm not buying that you're going to see any rain. A sprinkle, I don't constitute as rain, so that's my take on it. Let's have another look at other places. This is the Gulf Freeway looking back at downtown. No clouds there. Fair weather clouds in Katy. Those are kind of those puffier cumulus looking clouds. They're a little wispy, which lets me know they're at the upper levels. So we have low, mid, and upper level clouds. Whenever you see a cloud that's wispy like that, it means they're really high up in the atmosphere, and that's why they're being crystallized. So those are ice crystals up there. But I'm not gonna do anything down here. We're nice and comfortable. The forecast for 74 today is 4 degrees above its average for this time of year. So we're definitely running nice and warm. Sunset time for today is at 6:18. So the days are getting longer. Fantastic. Go out, go for a walk, enjoy the beautiful sunshine and the calm forecast. Because once the sun does go down, I am going to be tracking some patchy dense fog redeveloping during the early morning hours that could lead to visibility issues on the road, kind of like what we had this morning. The fog does lift by 10 o'clock, so that's good news. We will see the return of sunshine after the fog lifts. There it is, developing just after midnight. So that's a snapshot at 12:30 now into our Wednesday. And notice it does become widespread. So I'm seeing readings less than half a mile. The areas in red could be a few hundred feet of visibility. So you definitely want to factor that into your commute time and maybe what plans you make tomorrow early on in the day. If you can make it a work from home day, why not? Travel along the Katy Freeway usually is a little dodgy with that. And then look, visibility is great in the afternoon. Temperature wise, we will be cool, but not as cool as we were this morning. We're in the upper 40s this morning, mid 50s tomorrow morning, 55 degrees in Jersey Village, Aldine 54, and 54 also for Bush. Katy 55, 51 for Conroe. Huntsville dips down to 53 degrees. Here's a look at future tracks. So we're sunny today. We're mostly sunny tomorrow. And then we're going to be mostly cloudy on Thursday. And there's that little speck. There's your 20% rain chance. I'm putting it on there just in case you see a little sprinkle passing through here. And I don't want to not give you that heads up, but I don't think it's going to ruin any plans or anything like that. Friday, we're back to mostly sunny skies. Tomorrow's high temperature in your neighborhood. 79 degrees in Jacinto City, Gyersdale 81, 81 also for Navasota, and for Katy, Sugarland 81, mostly sunny. Okay, now let's get to that rodeo cook-off forecast. Only a 20% chance. You saw what it was, a little speck. Because we're under mostly cloudy skies and the jet stream goes flat, we're going to scale back on the heat just a little bit. 70 degrees, your high temperature Thursday, 72 on Friday, and we're back to revamping the warmth on Saturday with a high of 77 degrees. Notice the big kind of overarching theme of the next 10 days is above average temperatures. Normal high is 70, and almost every day goes above that. There's a couple days like Thursday and next Thursday that will be right at average, but you get the trend. Warm temperatures, not just for this week, but going into next week, the official start of the actual rodeo, it'll be nice and warm. I know you might be, not completely sold on the rain chances just yet. There's two of them, the 7-day forecast, one on Thursday, one on Sunday. I should say there's two of them this week. Thursday and Sunday, and both of those averaged out together doesn't leave to a very impressive rain potential, does it? 2/10 of an inch of rain potentially in El Campo, maybe 3/10 closer to that in Angleton, a 1/10 in Houston, and now we're talking about 5/100ths of an inch of rain. So trace amounts. I'm not too concerned with it. Monday, next week, does have a 30% chance for a couple of scatter storms, and maybe you get a little bit more accumulation from that. But for the time being, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the weather. Yeah, you might see a little sprinkle Thursday or Sunday, but don't cancel any plans because of that.